Viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of how to write JSON object to file. So first we need to load the FS module. Then we define the JSON data has the string of JSON data as the person array object. And then at first we need to convert the string to JSON object bar JSON object JSON dot parse JSON data then we need to log console dot log JSON object at first string convert to JSON object, then JSON object convert to JSON, then we'll convert the string by JSON object. Let's convert JSON object to JSON string bar JSON content JSON dot stringify JSON object. Console.log JSON content. So now we will write to file JSON content. fs.write file. First parameter is JSON file name output.json, and second parameter is the content JSON content, and third parameter is callback function error if error, then show the console.log error occurs during write JSON file, then returned error, and then finally if success, then log JSON file has been saved. Now we will run our project. So see the output JSON data write in file. Node index.js. So here is showing this is the past JSON object, and this is the string file JSON string, and finally show the message JSON file has been saved. So our JSON file has been saved to output.json. So at first create the JSON output.json file, then write the JSON content to the output.json. So now we will see the JSON output.json file. Here is the output.json file, and here is the JSON content. So we can write JSON object to file easily by FS module, file system module. Thank you.